Welcome to Kips Bay. It's a 10-week process that Danielle decided to go ahead and take on this great endeavor. 2 weeks of demo, and then we actually have 8 weeks to try to pull this off.
So when you come into the room, we had to change a little bit about the way it laid out. We've now got, instead of one closet, we totally changed this wall. We have 2 closets, and you really can't see them now because they're jib doors, they're seamless, they're wallpapered over.
Yeah, jib doors are, kind of unique. They're also very challenging to install. A little bit harder to source, sometimes 10 weeks. We were able to produce it in 2 weeks. The design part of it was really, kind of unique from our standpoint. We love doing collaborations with very unique, interior designers. Yeah, Danielle came to us, some crazy ideas, and one was the bathroom, and she wanted to go and do the bathroom in a full checkerboard. A checkerboard that was from, floor to ceiling.
They came to me with a couple different layouts of the tile to make sure it matched up, because this is one of those schemes that if someone who's really not skilled does, it's going to be a hot mess. I had options of like, if the sink's here, this is where your tile's going to land. Things like that, and it was very well thought through, especially with our limited window. They made sure there was no detail missed.
Another unique, kind of part that Danielle kind of came to us, and only, 2 weeks to try to go and source it, was, getting some glass block.
I thought it was a really neat nod to old Florida and to the architecture of this house, because it felt like it was something that could have been original. And I mean, once again, they made it happen. I had some yes people on my side.
Yes, yeah. And also, if you kind of take a look at the window too, we actually wrapped the tile into the window for our window treatment.
Yes.
So we're in this process of the 8 weeks, and it's really only 6 weeks, kind of left, to kind of go and do this, kind of project and pull these things off. It's very important to have that, type interior design collaboration. We have to have chemistry. We have to joke around like a little bit.
Yeah.
For us, caring about the project is really, really, important to us. And also having a great time along the way.
Absolutely, and communication is key, and they kept me in the loop every step of the way. And I think that's huge when you're collaborating with a builder and designer and trying to get everything cooking right.